Hi guys, today we'll do a small practice which you can combine after doing a core workout for stretching your core muscles. So let's wear something comfortable and hop onto your mat. Namaste, welcome to FitNCalm. This is Tejasvi. So let's begin today's practice. Stand tall on your mat. Place your legs a little bit apart. The weight equally distributed on both the legs. Now take your hands up, interlace your fingers, face it towards the sky, and then stretch up first, stretch, and then come onto your toes. Keep focusing at a point and stretch yourself up. Stretch, stretch, relax. Once again, stretch, stretch, stretch a little more and relax. Bend to the right, center to the left, center right and center left. Come back to the center and relax. Take your arms forward and then gently twist to the right. Make sure your feet are firmly on the ground and the distance between the hands are the same. Both of them are parallel to each other. Twist and then come back to the center. Other side, twist, twist and come back to the center. Relax. Now take your right leg and place it in front of the left leg. Okay. Now slowly raise your arms up, stretch up and bend forward towards your right leg. And come up, relax. Relax your leg. Now the left leg goes over the right leg. Take your arms up, stretch up and then go towards the left leg. Breathing in, come on. Breathing out, relax. Relax your arms. Now slowly push your hips back. Push them a little more. Sit on a comfortable chair. Make sure your knees are not crossing over your foot. So it looks like this. Okay. Raise your arms up, look in between your palms, push your hips back. Now slowly twist towards the left side. Your right elbow goes towards the left knee. The left palm comes on the right palm. Look up towards your left elbow. Come back to the center. Now the other side. Your left elbow comes towards the right knee, looking up towards the right elbow. Come back and slowly sit down. Place the left palm on the floor and then raise your right hand up. Press the palm onto the floor and then raise this up a little bit more. Raise up, stretch up, stretch up, stretch up and then bend your elbow, left elbow and then just bend towards the left side a little bit, stretching your right side. A little more. Keep stretching your right side. Bend more, more, more and come back to the center. Relax. Right palm is on the floor. The left hand goes up. Stretch up, stretch a little bit more. Now bending the right elbow back. Just bend towards the right side. Keep stretching the left hand. Stretch and bend. Bend a little bit more. The hips are grounded on the floor. Do not lift your hips up. Keep stretching. Stretch. And relax. Relax your palm. Relax. Gently twist to the right. Look over your right shoulder. And to the left. Left. Look over your left shoulder. Right. And left. Right. And left. Come back to the center. Now gently straighten your legs. Sit tall, straighten your spine. Now twist towards the right side. Keep the right hand behind your right hip. Very close to the hip. Look over your right hand. Look back. Keep stretching. Keep twisting. Look back. And come back to the center. Now the left hand goes behind the left hip, right hand on the left thigh. Look over your left shoulder. Keep twisting a little more. Look back. And come back. Relax. Come onto your knees and palms. Hands directly under your shoulders. Knees under your hips, hip width apart, palms shoulder width apart. Breathe in, look up, push your stomach down. Breathe out, chin to the chest, push your middle back up. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. And breathe out. Slowly go back, sit on your heels and bend forward as much as you can. Rest in Shishuvasana. Now slowly stretch your hands forward and lie down on your stomach. Place your hands beside your chest. Elbows close to your body, shoulders relaxed. Breathing in, slowly come up, look up, relax your shoulders, just come up as much as you can, look up. Feel the stretch on your stomach. Breathing out, relax. Breathing in, come up again. Breathing out, relax. Breathing in, up. Breathe out, relax. Stretch your hands forward. Now lift up your hands and legs like a Superman. Keep stretching out. Stretch out a little more. And relax. Now gently roll onto your right side and lie down on your mat. Take a breath in and breathe out. One more breath in and exhale. Bend your left leg from your knee, place it on the outer side of the right leg, drop it towards the right side and look towards the left. Breathing in, slowly come up. Breathing out, relax. Bend your right leg from your knee, place it on the outer side of the left leg, drop it towards the left side, look towards the right side. Breathing in, come up. Breathing out, relax. Relax your hands. Take a breath in and breathe out. One more breath in and exhale. Now slowly roll on to your right side and gently, with the support of both your hands, you sit up. Palms on your thighs. You can keep your eyes closed. Take a breath in and breathe out. One more breath in and exhale. Now slowly and gently place your palms in front of your heart, and whenever you feel complete, gently open your eyes. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. If you like our video, do share, like and subscribe. See you soon. Namaste.